Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, we will start. At first, my name is Marwa. I am a data scientist, and today we will talk about applications of data science AI in agriculture field part 2, and you will find part 1 in the description box. The application number 3, fertilizers recommendation. Data science is the study of extracting insights from large datasets. In recent years, it has been successfully applied in a wide range of fields, from medicine to marketing. Now, data science is beginning to revolutionize agriculture. Farmers are using data science to optimize everything from irrigation to fertilizer use. By analyzing large datasets, data scientists can identify patterns that would be difficult to spot with the eye. As a result, farmers are able to make more informed decisions about how to pest care for their crops. Number 4, disease detection and pest management. Data science has a huge range of applications in the agricultural sector. One of the most important applications is in disease detection and pest management. By analyzing data on crop growth, climate, and soil conditions, data scientists can develop models that can predict when and where diseases are likely to occur. This information can then be used to develop targeted pest management strategies that can minimize crop damage. Additionally, by analyzing large datasets on historical crop yields, data scientists can help farmers to optimize their planting and harvesting schedules to maximize yields. Number 5, adaptation to climate change. Data science is helping farmers to adapt to climate change in a number of ways. Perhaps most importantly, data science provides farmers with new insights into how plants respond to changes in temperature and rainfall patterns. And by understanding how plants respond to current conditions, farmers can adjust their growing practices to help crops flourish under future conditions. In addition, data science is being used to develop new varieties of crops that are better suited to a changing climate. And by identifying the traits that enable plants to thrive in different conditions, plant breeders can create new varieties that are more resilient to the effect of climate change. As a result, data science is increasingly important in helping agriculture adapt to a changing climate. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to press like button, share the video, and subscribe for more videos, inshallah, and you will find the resources in the description box.